The water is just amazing. It's so cold but so clean, and we really needed to go swimming because we were starting to get a little bit smelly, so now we did that.
Waking up to warm and sunny weather on Lofoten in northern Norway was a welcome change from the cold days riding up through Norway. Together with Ann-Kathrin, whom I met just 3 days ago, we set out on our 2 bikes to explore these magical islands. Lofoten is a group of islands in northwest Norway. It is located quite a bit further north than Iceland and almost at the middle of Greenland, so you can get any kind of weather in this place, but we were lucky to get sun.
I am here on Lofoten together with Ann-Kathrin. We are right now shooting some photos at this amazing little harbor. It's just mind-blowingly beautiful.
It's amazing.
And Ann-Kathrin is working her camera. It is just such a pretty place, and we're so blessed with this weather. We had a wonderful night in the tents and slept like babies because we were sleeping on this thick moss. And now today we're just going without our bikes. No. We're not going without our bikes, we're going without our luggage and just riding around the islands and taking photos. Hello! Here we are on Lofoten, right at the tip, and we found this little beautiful spot where we are all on our own, and it's a beautiful lake, and out there is a waterfall, and the water is just amazing. It's so cold but so clean, and we really needed to go swimming because we were starting to get a little bit smelly. And like normally Lofoten is pretty crowded, and I think there are quite a lot of tourists here, but we had this place for ourselves. Now we're gonna go pick some blueberries and eat that for lunch. I want to show you this here. It's absolutely amazing. I'm here at this little river, and right here I found blueberries everywhere. What's up for lunch? Blueberries!
Monkey, I've been dancing my whole life.
Ja! Siehst du etwas? Siehst du was? Ja. Oh my goodness. I mean, so amazing. Hast du die Fische gesehen?
Das sind Fische.
Unglaublich, ja?
Nee, das ist doch Holz, oder nicht?
Schon Fische. Das ist so getrocknete Fische. Gehen wir rein und schauen, ob es Wi-Fi gibt.
Ja.
Wait, I know this guy. This is Martin from Germany on his BMW R1200 GS. I met Martin on one of my first days in Norway. He decided to join us for a few hours in the afternoon.
Daughter from another mother and my brother from another mother. And I almost kicked my bike.
Die Frage ist auch, ob wir meine Speicherkarte reinpacken.
The two photographers are working it.
Oh, ist die Kamera schön. Okay, ready? Ready.
So ready. We're born ready. Okay, ich will mal probieren, ein bisschen lang auszusehen.
Wir müssen was Cooles machen. Oh ja, Instrumente. Warte. Einer eine Gitarre, einer eine Flöte.
Nein, nicht Flöte. Das ist ein bisschen blöd.
Das sieht doch cool aus.
Nein, ich get so andere Gedanken.
Ach so. Oh mein Gott, du hast es sogar auf Kamera. Ah, jetzt. Oh, ich freue mich. Okay. Auf geht's.
After a lovely afternoon riding together with Martin, we went separate ways, and Ann-Kathrin and I continued our search for pretty scenery. The last bit of the day, we fooled around with all our cameras and tried to get the most out of this golden hour.
Also unglaublich.
Wahnsinn! Und stopp! Danke. Magst du das Licht einmal ausmachen?
Ja. This place is insane! I mean, look at it! It's like something out of a movie.
Wow.
Bin ich plötzlich fahren.
Oh mein Gott! Okay, du darfst sie noch nicht angucken.
Okay, okay.
Das ist so schön.
Ja?
Warte, also du musst. Komm mit mir mit, ich zeig dir, wo du hin musst. Genau hier in die Mitte und genauso wie du gerade bist.